Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for suggesting this. Today we are going to be making the custard toast trend on TikTok. So for the custard, all you need is 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of golden syrup or honey, and then 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. You can use low-fat yogurt if you prefer. Give that all a good mix to then make your custard. Use a fork to make a slight indentation in the bread, and then you can slowly pour on half the mixture onto 1 slice of bread. Use your toppings of choice. I have some fresh cherries. I placed into an oven preheated to 180 on grill, and I cooked for about 3 minutes. But you can also do this in the air fryer as well. And this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!